Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix. You are. You are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? All right, y'all. Let's get into it. Let me add my screen. Let me share my screen right quick. Pull all this up. Restore my pages and boom, let's pull up Bitcoin. Let me pull up Bitcoin, y'all. I was running a little bit late here, so sorry for that. All right, let's share my screen. Window. Boom. And here we go. Here we go. All right, y'all. Let's get into it right now. Still working on our little A, B, C correction. As you can see, I drew this out weeks ago. Damn it. I drew this out on January the 23rd. Okay. A, B, C correction. We had 4 rejections at the 25.2. I said 25.2 is a key level that we need to get above. We need to get above 25.2. Drop your coins in the chat. Boom. I said we need to get above 25.2, right? And we got 4 rejections off of it. Now we're heading into the full moon energy, which if you don't know, typically the new moon is the tops of the market. Right here was the full moon, right here was the new moon. Let me put the indicators up so you guys can see this. Moon phases, and there we go. The new moon, and this was the full moon, the local bottom. It's not always on the day. However, it gives you an energy of a window of energy, if you will. Typically, it's 5 days before versus 5 days after. I know that's 10 days total, but that is the energy of the window. And we hit that right here. This was the bearish energy. You can go long on full moons. That's just like a strategy that you guys can use. But this is what I still think that we're going to do. We're going to have our C correction into the full moon here. Could be as like 22K, 19K, whatever. Anywhere 23K, 22K, 21K, 20K. Any of that is fine. A-okay. You would really like to see like 21.5 hold for the full moon, which would be, when is the full moon? When is the full moon? Says February 5th. Whatever. March 7th is the next full moon. There you go. So that plus or minus 5 days before, 5 days after is going to bring you into the energy of the bearish time frame. And I could see Bitcoin 21.5 would be like perfect. I'll definitely be buying that dip. That would be the ABC correction. And then I think that we're going to have the sell in May, walk away time frame, just like I said back here. Let me get the moon phase out of here. Let's pull this all the way up. So this is Bitcoin. I'm on Bitcoin right now. And right here is the 20. This is the 2017 bull run, 2018 bear market. Oops. All right. Sorry. I'm trying to get my get my stuff together. I was running really late. And I was trying to just still stream on the time that I put out. So late night stream. What is up with the I know TikTok's got a weird thing going on right now. But this is the 2017 bull run, 2021 bull run. 2018 bear market, crash 85% down. 2018 bear market. Then you have a majority of the crash and you trade sideways, right? The majority of the crash, you trade sideways. Everyone thinks it's over. Everyone thinks it's over. One more leg down, a crazy event happens right here. One more leg down, a crazy event happens right here. In this case, it's the FTX collapse, the literal collapse. How are we looking on TikTok, by the way? Let's get that right there. Okay. And then you trade in the depths of despair. Bitcoin's going to 10K. Bitcoin's stupid. Why would you ever buy Bitcoin? Same thing. Bitcoin's stupid. It's going to 1K. It's going to $100. It's going to zero. Why would you ever be in crypto? And then in a matter of days, we took all of that back. Took all of this trading out in the matter of, we took out all of the depths of despair in a matter of 40 days. Same thing. If you go over here, we took out all of this trading, came back, back tested the prior trading range, broke out, came back, back tested the prior trading range. See how similar this is? Oh man, this is like, it's almost comical, like how similar this thing is. And so it went to the 618 last time. We had a retracement, right? So a retracement, you have a ball, you drop a ball bounces about 50 to 70%. In this case, we hit the 618 perfectly on the nose. Perfectly on the nose. That's literally right in between the 0.5 and the 702. If we were to do that again, I think that this move is next after the C correction, somewhere between 35 and 52K. If we were to hit the 618 like we did last time, 48K, which that is actually pretty crazy. That is actually pretty crazy because Satoshi Nakamoto is turning 48. I bet you we're going to hit his birthday. We're going to hit 48K on his birthday. When? How do you even spell it? April 5th. There you go. Sell in May and walk away. Let me just mark this out here. Let me put a little date. April 5th. Bitcoin's going to be 48K. That's my prediction. I need to mark this though. Fifth. April 5th, Satoshi's 48th birthday. Bitcoin is going to be 48K. What is today? There you go. Boom. We're going to leave that right there. Boom. There we go. It's your boy Ski. When's it going to be 21.5? Probably the full moon. Probably the full moon. Ryan said, yo boy Ski. Yeah, so like the full moons are not like on the day, but this is the new moon. We hit the top here. This was like the local bottom. It gives you kind of a window of energy. So I would say plus or minus 5 days. 21.5 would be perfectly good. It doesn't have to go all the way down there. It could go to this little range right here, actually. Like, mm, this would be fine too. 22.8. 22.8. A few touches at 22.8. 21.7, 21.5, somewhere in there. That's my prediction on the full moon. Coming back, trading sideways before retracing 35 to 50K. But I just off of the numerology of stuff. Why is this over here? What are you doing over here? Get over here. Just on the numerology of stuff, I think April 5th. That's Satoshi's birthday. So you know about the moon cycles, pretty accurate. Yeah, so like the full moons, typically the bearish energy of the market. The new moons are typically the bullish energy of the market, not always, but the the moon eclipses are huge. That's why I was able to predict back in, I think it was October. No, 7 months ago was what? Heard of FUY named Waters Above on YouTube? Yeah, Waters Above is he's the that dude. Yo, what's up, Ski? Hello, can you please do ACH and Dogecoin? What's up, y'all? Welcome in. Yeah, Waters Above is like he speaks a lot of truth for sure. The eclipses are huge in the crypto market, and I was able to predict, like I have video evidence predicting that the November 8th eclipse was going to be a big day, and it was. It was literally the bottom. Yearn Finance. When do you see Quant pulling back? Probably the full moon, which is March 7th. Plus or minus 5 days, we're going to have a little pullback in the markets. I don't think it's going to be too crazy. And if you guys are just joining, I predicted 48K for Satoshi's birthday on April 5th, just kind of for fun. But I'm gonna leave it there just in case it happens, because then I could be like nana nana boo boo, stick your face in doo doo. No, but in reality, 35K to 50K is my prediction going into May, and then it's gonna be kind of choppy after that. Probably in October. So people think that if you want to look at like EVMOS, I got you. Let me write these down. ACH Dogecoin. We'll do Dogecoin. I just did Dogecoin. We'll come back to ACH because I just did it yesterday. Damn, my pen. Dogecoin. Yearn Finance. 285K. EVMOS. Yeah, so this is going to be before May. This move is going to play out before May. Satoshi's birthday's April 5th. I'm going to leave this here. I got video evidence. Today is February 22nd, 2023. And we made the funny prediction, jokingly serious, that Bitcoin is going to reach $48,000 on Satoshi Nakamoto's 48th birthday on April the 5th of 2023. In reality, 35 to 50K, somewhere around that time frame. But 48K is where we're going to put it just for funsies. Jokingly serious. But yeah, Ryan Waters Above is that dude. He speaks a lot of truth. I've definitely learned a lot from him. Yeah, he's got a lot of good stuff. I don't subscribe to everything he says, but I think that that's true for everyone. Like you can learn a lot from everyone, whether you I really believe in what he says, like trust yourself. Like what is your gut telling you on different people? And that's how I feel. It's like um you can eat the meat, spit out the fat with everyone. Everyone has something that you can learn from. And so I agree with a lot of what he's saying for sure, especially like the moon, and he's like a master decoder. He's light years ahead of me on decoding for sure. Not that it's a, it's not a competition, but I'm more TA and I just more I'm into the moon though, for sure. I'm more TA as well as just kind of studying what socially, he says, Kadena, I got you. Studying socially what the herd is doing, if you will. That's what I'm really good at picking out. Emotionally, what is the herd doing? And then I do the opposite of that. That I would say if I had to pinpoint a strength of your boy skis, it's the emotional fortitude to just come out here and willy-nilly just do the opposite and know that you're correct with your thesis because the opposite is not popular. I love finding the altcoin. All right, let's do Doge. I'm over here rambling. Dogecoin. Dogecoin. I'm probably gonna buy Dogecoin in October. I have this circled because this is a gift. Let me. Yeah, there's a saying with moons though. It's like millionaires don't believe in astrology, but billionaires do. So there you go. All right, so I have this circled because anytime you see this just sideways and boringness, this is a gift. This is a gift. I'm probably going to make a move on Doge on the October eclipse. I think everything's going to pull back. It'll probably rise with the market, though. It's probably going to retrace 38, maybe 48 cents. That's the retracement level, 38 cents. Max retracement level is 51 cents. Somewhere in there, probably before May, honestly. Big picture, $2.40 for Dogecoin. So I'll probably be making a play at Dogecoin in October. Nothing too crazy, like 2%, but I do want to have a little bit of a meme coin. And Doge is typically the first one that goes in the bull market. All right, let's do Yearn. So I don't hold any Doge right now, but that's when I'm going to be making my stab. Is the October eclipse is going to be my last sort of reaccumulation, other than my regular dollar cost average. Um, other than my regularly scheduled program of dollar cost averaging. All right, so automatic rally 1,300. Oh, 13,000. Excuse me, 13,500. Just got in. Send me NES to everyone. Are you asking me to do NES? Just got in. Send me mines to everyone. I don't know what you're asking. Maybe I'm just ignorant. All right, 43,000 is the retracement level. I would take. Hello, how are you? I would take profit here. 59,000 is going to be the max retracement level. Again, I would take profit here. if she wants to go parabolic 285,000. That would be insane. That would be literal insanity. I don't I don't see that happening personally, but anything in the matrix is possible. And that's where it could go. All right, let's look at, are you asking me to do mines? I'm confused. I am confused, good sir. EVMOS. What's your opinion on XDC and XRP? XRP is my biggest bag. The number one holding of your boy Ski is XRP. Okay, I'm not an XRP army guy though, however. I'm not a part of any cults. No cults. I'm not a Hexagon. I'm not an XRP army. I'm not a Elon Nutsack army. None of that. XDC, I hold XDC as well, and I think XDC is solid. But yeah, I'm not a XRP army guy. I'm not a part of any cult. I hold both XRP and Ethereum. I know you're supposed to be this or that, but I hold them both because I don't really care about any cults. I'm not interested in joining any of that. I just want to make money legally, morally, ethically. What was the Bitcoin you said? We're gonna pull back into the full moon. I think 21.5 is the likely low. It could go as high as 22.7. You think XRP might make us a bag? I would say so. 280. Are you talking about for like 2025? 188 is my prediction. All right, 55 cents for EVMOS. Retracement level is 177. Max retracement 240. 210 is possible, but 188 is where I think it's going to go. The low is going to be 100K. I did 240 for Dogecoin. I haven't done Shiba yet. You're after XRP. All right, 1126 for EVMOS. First time seeing you. What's up? Solar Miner. Welcome. Welcome to the Matrix. That's pretty cool. You got a solar mining farm, I assume by your name. I have a pretty good size Flux, Ergo, Ravencoin GPU mining farm. I will be transitioning to solar sometime after April. Any tips for me on that transition? How low Bitcoin will drop again? That is very dependent upon a lot of things. It's very hard to. Let me do Kadena, and then we're going to do XRP. It depends on how high it goes. Like I can like very loosely guesstimate because that's what it is at that point. All right, so Kadena is already at the automatic rally 149. Not a bad place to take a little 5%. I got you, Ryan, for the long journey. What is up, my man? Filecoin. I got you. I buy used panels. Is there a specific brand that you have like good success with? Or like brands to stay away from, or are they all roughly the same? Automatic rally, $5.25 for Kadena. Max retracement level, $7.10. And if Kadena wants to go parabolic, $32.79. No Cab's Edge. Thank you for the weights. What's up, nephew? All right, let's look at XRP. XRP is my biggest holding. First of all, hold on, y'all. Because we. Here we go. All right, for anyone saying like XRP is a poo poo coin is nonsense, and you need to watch this video. Hedera, I got you. The green economy, y'all. Pay attention. Or do they sound like they're about to drop 2023's hottest rap album? Is my computer like freezing up on you? XRP is the winner. Okay, if there is a start over of grand magnitude, XRP is the winner. Some would call it a great reset, a start over of grand magnitude. If you ever watch the Big Short, you should watch the Big Short and just notice how they feel that they are rich and the entire world economy is collapsing, because that is how we are going to feel. Maybe you feel guilty, maybe not. I'm trying to warn everybody. H bar, I got you, bro. But let's do XRP real quick. Because I can't just have that giant lead up into XRP and then not do XRP. Long Journey says the Bearable Bull has the best XRP news. That's right. Doge Elon, I got you. I like MBL Moo blockchain. We'll take a look at that. And thanks for the tips as far as 20 cents on the dollar. Doesn't seem to matter to the brand if you get the panel as well. Thanks for the tips on that. MBL. All right. XRP. All right. And by the way, XRP is my biggest bag. Check it out. It did not make new all-time highs. It went to the 0.5, which is why I always advocate for taking profit. It does not matter what the fundamentals are. The the coin is going to go where it's going to go, which is why I advocate for taking profit on certain levels. That being said, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 98 cents. I will be taking profit here. Okay. The 702, $2.37. If XRP wants to go absolutely parabolic, $11.76. And if she wants to go crazy, 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 like $14, this whole 589 stuff is nonsense. This $35,000 is a dream. XRP is my biggest bag. My biggest bag. But it is mathematically impossible to go to 35,000 like some people think. That is a dream that they are selling you in order that they have liquidity to sell on your head. That is what that is all about. Okay, that's not real. XRP is my biggest bag. I will be holding 20% of XRP forever. Forever. Hey, thank you for the follow. Forever. All right. Let's do H bar forever. H bar is my second biggest bag. Already to the automatic rally. I already took a little bit of profit here. This is a good place to take a little 5%. Now, if she just wants to retrace, 30 cents. Maximum retracement level is going to be 41 cents. I'll be taking profit here. Supposedly passive income for XRP is coming. I hope so. That would be dope, honestly. If H bar wants to go absolutely parabolic, $2. I personally will be taking profit pretty heavily, $1 and above. Did you check Dogecoin? I did Dogecoin, $2.40 for Dogecoin. I haven't done Shiba or ACH. I got to go in order. I can't. If I do one of your coins, I got to go back around. Hey, mate, sorry, late. Nothing to be sorry about. We're not married. I appreciate your support. You know, we're not married though. I know people got stuff to do. Filecoin. No worries. It's all good in the hood. So $2.40, the reverse of 420 for Dogecoin. And I said that I'll be taking a stab at Dogecoin, adding some to my position in the October eclipse. A little 2% of my portfolio. All right, automatic rally for Filecoin, 1750. If Filecoin just wants to retrace, you're looking at $100. Maximum retracement level, 141. If Filecoin wants to go absolutely parabolic, $711. 711. My birthday. Me too. Been adding Dogecoin. Yeah. So October eclipse is my last stab at the market, other than my regularly scheduled program of dollar cost averaging. But my last, like, I have USDC on the sideline ready to strike is going to be in October. That eclipse is going to be the last. I think I skipped NES. Stab at the market before the bull run, in my opinion. All right, NES. Not a great chart. Not enough trading data for NES. Whoever put NES, if you want to put a different coin, I'll do another coin for you. All right, let's do Doge Elon. It's just Elon, right? Hello. Confused on what's happening in October, the market going down I'll do a breakdown on the big picture market, but it's the lunar eclipse. And typically Q3, Q4 lunar eclipses are pretty big in the markets. All right, Doji Elon. We already came to the 236. So this is a good place to take a little 5 or 10% at oh, you in these zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6047. If she just wants to retrace, 6074. Maximum retracement level is 6094. And if she wants to go parabolic, I think it's 50. 5039. By the way, guys, if Elon abandons Doge, it will cause an apocalypse. Shorting Anchor right now. I'm not shorting anything right now. Gala, if I didn't call it out. All right, let's look at Bitcoin real quick. And I'll show you guys what, because a lot of you guys weren't here in the beginning. So this is my macro view on the markets. So we had 4 rejections on the 25. We could not break out of 25,000. So I believe we're going to have our C correction like I drew out on the 23rd of January. I said ABC correction incoming. I literally drew it out right here. ABC. Solar Miner says Anchor is a buy in my book. All right, so ABC correction incoming into the full moon, right? And then sometime before May, sell in May, walk away. That's the saying in the stock market. We're going to have a automatic rally. People are going to think that the bull market is back on. This is not the bull market, though. This is a retracement. A retracement is if I have a ball and I drop a ball, it's going to bounce 50 to 70% of the way up. Everyone is going to be so excited. We're going to the moon. I can't believe we're going to Mars. And I'm going to say, no, thank you, my friends. I'm going to get off here at the moon because we're going to come right back down to Earth. Somewhere between 20 to 30K, in my opinion. This is going to be 40 to 50K. All right. I think this because I'm not just making up stuff, by the way, guys. Let me show you the thesis to my magic here, the method to my madness. This is the 2017 bull run, parabolic rise, right? Parabolic rise, 21, parabolic rise. Major crash, 69% of the way down. People think it's done, trading sideways. Major crash, people think it's done, trading sideways. One more leg down, crypto stupid. It's going to 1K. It's going to 100. Crypto's dumb. How could you be in crypto? The depths of despair. Same thing right here. FTX collapse, one more leg down, the depths of despair, crypto stupid. My wife's boyfriend says Bitcoin's going to 10K. It's going lower, bro. It's going to 12K. It's going to 10K, the depths of despair. And then we take it all back in the matter of a couple of weeks. We take all of it back in a couple of weeks. Same thing over here. We take it all back in a couple of weeks, come back test the prior trading, take it all back in a couple of weeks, back test the prior trading. This is the 2018 bear market, the one that I keep going back to. Okay. Back test the prior trading before going off and away to the 0.52702. In this case, we went to the 618, which is directly smack dab in the middle between the 0.5 and the 702. And I think that is the next move. sell in May, walk away. I put for funsies Satoshi Nakamoto's birthday, April 5th, 48K for Satoshi Nakamoto's 48th birthday. That's kind of like jokingly serious, but in reality, 35K to 50K, somewhere in there before May. Then everyone's going to think the bull market's back on, just like they did back here. The bull market's back on. I can't believe how rich we're going to be. Just before right here, this is the C19 crash, aka in Wyckoff, they call this a spring. And if you have a spring, you compress a spring will bounce very high. And that's exactly what it did. And that is what this will be. This will be the spring into the next bull market. This, in my opinion, is October. I don't know what the event's going to be, but there's going to be some event. And we're probably going to come back. We're not even going to make a new low, in my opinion. We're just going to come back to this prior trading here. It will be scary in the moment. This is as low as I see us going, 17, 16.5. In reality, it's probably going to go to here, like 21K again. Before then going off and away to the next bull run. This will take us into 2024. Hopium. This is facts, man. I called the bottom on the day. Video evidence, documented. Called the bottom on the day 6 months in advance based off of all of this, what I just told you. No hopium here. I'm not saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to $1 million or 10 million or any of that stuff. Bitcoin will probably go somewhere between 100K. The max is going to be like 210K. And if we get to 200K, that's when the 1 million Bitcoin calls are going to start coming in and we're going to crash from there. When do you think we'll see 20K Bitcoin? It's possible the next full moon, March 7th. March 7th is the next full moon. Opium is good. This is, in my opinion, this will be a, I don't know. Retail will come right here. If we go back to 21K, if you look at my comments, the wife's boyfriends will be strong in my comments, and they'll say that we're going to 12K, we're going to 10K, it's going lower, bro. And then this is going to be hated. And then they're going to buy the top right here. That's when retail is going to buy the market again when it's at the top. And then we're going to come right back down and they're going to get wrecked. That is my thesis on the market. But right now we're just ranging, ultimately. All right, so there you go. XRP. I already did XRP. I'll be taking profit on XRP $6 as high as $12. I will be 80% out of the way, and I will be holding $12 forever. Or not 12. Excuse me. 20% per forever on XRP. So there you go, Monica. Hopefully that answers your question on October. I think October is the spring. And by the way, this is not going to feel good. When you go from 50K, 40K, 50K, it doesn't matter, potato, all the way back down here, that's a 50% drop. And it's going to be quick. It's going to be quick. That's not going to feel good. I can assure you. Your grandma's going to be like, hey, Jimmy, what is going on with crypto? Aren't you in this? You lost all your money. Litecoin. I got you. VeChain. Right? It's not going to feel good, but I'm telling you guys in advance. This is what's coming. It's what's necessary. You got to buy the dip. Don't trip. Buy the dip. Is anything fundamentally DCAing now? I'm always DCAing, but I DCA also into USDC for big plays. I'm always DCAing. Every week I buy VeChain. But I have USDC on the sidelines. Not really right now because I put my money where my mouth is. When I was making videos, I had a good bit of USDC right here. I had a good bit of USDC. And when FTX collapsed, I came out here on the day, made videos, said that this is the bottom on the day when everyone's wife's boyfriend said it was going lower. I have videos saying it's the bottom. I put my money where my mouth was and I bought the dip because I had this eclipse circled months in advance because it was the Shemitah, the 7th year. Every 7 years, some crazy stuff happens in the financial market, and typically the Q4 eclipse is the climactic event. That's why I was able to predict this was going to be a big moment. So 9/11 was a Shemitah. The dot-com bubble busting was a Shemitah. 2008 real estate crash was a Shemitah. 2015 Chinese stock market crash was a Shemitah. And then the FTX collapse, World War III starting, all that was on a Shemitah. So there you go. That's how I was able to predict that. I put my money where my mouth was. But I've been reaccumulating a little bit of my life path. I'm a pioneer. Pioneers get the arrows. I'm number 5. NV Ford says, hey, need to see a short in IOTX. It's every 7 years. That's right. By the way, listen, guys, I'm about to tell you guys something real spicy. Thoughts on SPY stocks, not crypto. We're kind of ranging. I think the big one is coming on the next 2029. And when I say the big one, it's the big one that people think is right now. That the next big one is 2029. And that one's for real. Your cue that SPY is done for is if Congress actually bans themselves from owning stocks. Like that is your time to run for the hills. So the next Shemitah is 2029. And I think that that is like the big one, the real estate, the Great Depression 2.0, XR, the start over of grand magnitude is 2029. And I'd say that not for us to operate in fear, because we're going to be rocking and rolling up into that point. It's just to be aware of it. It's not time to be playing around, in my opinion. It's time to get your ducks in a row, not out of fear, because the last Great Depression, 33% of the population got filthy freaking rich. Filthy rich. They always tell you about the 33% that was starving, but in reality, 33% was starving, 33% was middle class, and 33% got filthy freaking rich. I'm trying to be the latter. And it will be the opportunity of a lifetime if you have been preparing yourself and getting yourself ready financially, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically. Can you briefly explain the Shemitah and what it is? All right, I got you. A Shemitah is the 7th year. And I'm not telling you guys what to believe, right? I'm not telling you what you should believe or any of that stuff. I'm not here for that. But the powers, I will say this, the powers that be on this realm, they believe it. So therefore, it is real as far as at least in the financial sector. And what the Shemitah is, it is the 7th year. So we have like the Sabbath, that is the 7th day. The Shemitah is the 7th year. Okay. And every 7 years, some pretty crazy stuff happens in the financial sector. Like I said, dot-com bubble busting on a Shemitah, 9/11 on a Shemitah, 2008, 2015 stock market crash, Chinese stock market crash, excuse me. And then we just had one. Not only that, it was a Jubilee Shemitah, which is the 7th, the 49th year. The last time that that happened, Richard Nixon took the US dollar off of the gold standard. It was a big deal. All right. Now, before the 19th century, before the 19th century, yo, before the 19th century, the Shemitah had everything to do with agriculture, and they wouldn't farm. They wouldn't farm the land at all. They would give it a rest. But post-industrial revolution has everything to do with the financial sector. And like, there's even like, you can even look up. I can briefly. I bet I could just find. Oh, God damn it. Here you go. Like, here you go. Like, literally, there it is. There's data. Like, I'm not making nothing up. I don't need to make nothing up. 1937, 54% down, 46, 28% down, 52, 15%, 14%, 22, 48%, 1980, 28%, 1987, 34%, 1994, 9%, 2000, 50%, and so on. So there you go. There you guys go. That is a brief description on the Shemitah, how is able to predict on the day, on the literal day when the bottom was because of that. So is October this year the bottom? The bottom, in my opinion, is it's been in, and I predicted that it was in months, over 6 months before it happened. Right here was the bottom. The bottom has been in since November for Bitcoin and Ethereum, Quant, Matic, XRP. Like, I can go down the list. There's like 50 major coins that they bottomed in June. They have not, like Ethereum. Like, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum bottomed in June. This is June 22nd. Or I'm sorry, June 17th. It has not came anywhere close. It would need to fall from its other low to that low is 20 additional percent. So what October is just the spring, in my opinion. So let's go back to Bitcoin. So the same thing, right? So this was the bottom of Bitcoin in 2018, right? And then you had this eclipse, the C19 crash. It didn't re-bottom. Like, it wasn't lower than this bottom. It's just another low point. And in Wyckoff method, they call this the spring. This is the spring for the next parabolic rise. In order to go parabolic, you need to compress a spring, and so it can bounce very high. And in my opinion, this is what the October eclipse will be. So there you go. Dropping some gold TA on you guys. All right. What small cap coins would you say has the potential to 10x in May? Probably Sauce could, Flux could, XRP could. Although XRP isn't a small cap. Ergo could. Calvin Hill live is better. All right, man. Okay. Thanks for sharing. Oh, geez. All right, let's get some of these stellar. All right. I'd say probably like H bar is probably the most repressed as far as it hasn't really done what it's supposed to do. Who knows? Like I would look at a major project like XTC. Here you go. XTC hasn't done any moves, but who knows? A lot of them could, but which ones will, I don't know. All right, let's get some of these. We got Gala. I don't know if my man's still even here. Gala. It already hit the automatic rally. Got rejected off of it. The next level it's going to gravitate to is the 236. Um, this is 20 cents. The maximum retracement level is um I'm sorry, the retracement level is 43 cents, maximum retracement level 59 cents, and if she wants to go parabolic in 2025, $3. Look, let me show you guys something else too. Since I'm dropping gold on you guys. Why do I come up with these numbers? These are Fibonacci's. Fibonacci is everything. It's not just crypto. It's not just Bitcoin. It's not just the stock market. It's not just, it's music. It's movies. It's literally everything in the matrix is Fibonacci. Okay. And there's key levels where things get rejected. As you can see, this Fibonacci pull right here is from the top of the 2017 bull run to the bottom of the 2018 bear market. And then you scroll over and looky here. It hits the 3618 on the head. Same thing for Ethereum. Top to the bottom, 3618 on the head. XRP. It didn't make new all-time highs, but where did it go to? It went to the 0.5. BNB, like I can do this all day. There's just levels where it respects certain levels. Quant like already came to the 0.5 in the bear market. Like crazy, dude. Like literally already to the 0.5 in the bear market. Insanity. All right, let's get he said golden nuggets tonight. All right, let's get some of these coins. Let's do XLM. Do you think XRP will be used for banking like all the hype? Yeah, I already played it, so I'm not going to play it again, but check out my pen video why I hold XRP. I think all of them in conjunction are going to be used together. All of them in conjunction are going to be used together, like Quant, XLM, XDC, XRP, IBM, Google. Like the whole thing is going to create the payment system. But I think XRP is going to be the main driver. All right, let's look at XLM. My light died. It's all good. All right, automatic rally 11 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 48 cents. Maximum retracement level 66 cents. If she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $3.11. All right. Litecoin. I've completely skipped Litecoin. My bad. Litecoin and VeChain. Like your boy Ski is a Fibonacci. I just go all the way up to the 3618, going in on these gold nugget tangents, and then I go right back down to price predictions. Like that's a Fibonacci right there, fellas and ladies and gentlemen and ladies. All right, Litecoin's already to the automatic rally. Litecoin is already to the automatic rally. Like, hopefully you were dollar cost averaging for 240 days to get this 78% to the upside. You'll love to see that. If you were, I would take a little 5 or 10% here. Now, Litecoin, if she just wants to retrace, $220 maximum retracement level, 298. I would take profit here and here as well. If Litecoin wants to go parabolic, 1384. 1384. VeChain. Hoping XLM does better than 3.1. Some good low cap cryptos. All right, I'll give you my top 5 low caps. Flux, Ergo, Sauce, Ravencoin, Optimism. Those are my top 5 off the cuff low market cap gems that could 100x. Welcome to Wacky Wednesday. Thank God I don't talk like that, right, guys? All right. Automatic rally for VeChain is 3.9 cents. RNDR. I got you, bro. Or are you saying that's your low market cap? Let me know in the comments what are your guys' favorite low market caps where I need to keep my eye on. Probably Jasmy, by the way. I don't have any Jasmy, but the amount of support that Jasmy has is pretty insane. 14 cents. Zilliqa. Zilliqa is good. Filecoin. I like Filecoin too. 20 cents is the maximum retracement level for VeChain. Yeah, Jasmy. Like, dude, Jasmy has a cult like following. What kind of cult? Who is Jasmy's leader? Who's the cult leader? Because they got a serious following. 97 cents is the parabolic level for VeChain. VeChain's in my top 10, by the way, y'all. It's you. He's him. She's him. R. NDR. Quant will 100x. Quant's my top 3. I don't think it's going to 100x, but big picture, it could. Like, I don't think it's going to 100x the next bull run, but like 10 years from now, it could 100x. I think it's already done a pretty big move. It's already 4x like in the bear market, which is insane. But yeah, Quant is one of my biggest bags. Top 3 for me. All right, RNDR for my man. We already hit the automatic rally to the 236. Again, this is why I always advocate for dollar cost averaging. Like, I know this is like, I sound like a broken record, but like, it's just true. Like, look at this. 313 days to get this price of 63 cents, not the bottom. The bottom was 30 cents. 63 cents. She gave you 320 days to get a 2.5x. You love to see it. Retracement level 3.45. Max retracement level $4.74. And if she wants to go parabolic, $23.68. Yeah, I believe proof of useful work is going to be huge, i.e., Flux RNDR. Buying 3080s and above now. Yeah, me too. My whole farm is basically 3080s, 3090s. I have a lot of 3060 Ti's as well, but I'm all 30 series. I have 4 3070 Ti's as well. Yeah, this is what I tell people, by the way. Like, everyone was like, "Oh, Ethereum went to proof of work, or sorry, proof of stake. That's it on proof of work." It's like, okay, the biggest whales in the market, have been and always will be the miners. So this idea that all that liquidity is just gonna go away is a fallacy. A fallacy. Matic Fib, I got you. Shib. We'll do Shib first. All right, Monica, we're gonna do Shiba. Just for you. All the zeros. I've been through, how many bull runs have I been through? I've been in crypto since 2014. Can't say today. Love your stuff. Jasmine Leader is out. Peace out, Jasmine Leader. He's anonymous. Or she. We don't know. It's like Satoshi. It's Satoshi's brother, Jasmine. Is he 46? Is she 46? We don't know. Peace out. Thanks for stopping by. All right, automatic rally for Shiba is 1, 2, 3. Quad 017. If she just wants to retrace, quad 047. Maximum retracement, quad 064. And if Shiba wants to go absolutely parabolic, 00030, or from the current price, a 25x. A 25x. Yeah, so there you go. I've been in, I guess, technically 2 bull runs. I got in the bear market. 2014 was when I got into crypto. 2018, I got heavy into crypto. 2019, I was obsessed with crypto. So there you go. What do you think about Ali Hubai listing? Where did it get listed at? All right, let's do ACH, and then we'll do Matic. Boom, look at that. Yeah, this take profit. For the love of God, take profit. I should do a merch shop. What kind of merch you guys want? Like, welcome back to the Matrix. I got a few like slogans that are kind of my thing. 300% to the upside. Take 10 or 20%. They will be listing. Where will they be listing? Today. Anytime a coin lists on a major exchange, that's a good time to take a little profit, because that's typically when she likes to pump. All right, so we're going right into the 0.5. The next level, the 702, 6.9 cents. If she wants to go parabolic for ACH, 32 cents. I got my wife's boyfriend. I could say that. My wife's boyfriend said it's going to 10K. Just some guy, just surprised. What was the other one? Matic, that's right. Matic's in my top 10. Because the Ethereum gas fees are atrocious. And here's a little secret. The merge does not fix the gas fees. The gas fees will be poo-poo forever. So things like Matic, things like Optimism are very important. I don't know anything about the coin, but typically when a coin gets listed on like Coinbase, that's like a good time to take profit. All right, Matic already hit the 0.5. The next level is $2.10. And if she wants to go parabolic, you're looking at $9.70. Matic has huge partnerships. I think that so of the two like layer two coins that I'm excited about, Matic and Optimism, I think Optimism has the higher upside potential, but I think Matic has the higher downside protection. I think Optimism could fall a lot more than Matic, where I think Matic is like, I think the bottom has been in for Matic. Well, it's not what I think. This is what the charts say. The bottom's been in for 8 months for Matic. Damn, I'm losing my voice now. ICP. What's your favorite coin next 3 to 6 months? Honestly, like in the bear market, I think it's the best idea to consolidate down into your top 10. Um, and really, for me, I've been focusing on my top 5. Now, I have my coins that I'm mining, and I'm just stacking those. So for me, it's Flux, Ergo, Ravencoin, Raptorium, Monero. I'm mining all of those coins. Um, but my top 5 is Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, HBAR, and Quant. And for me, like a lot of times, like what is real and what is the truth isn't sexy. And it's not sexy to pick like a bunch of these blue chip cryptos, but in reality, that's what's going to move first in the bear market, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to go first before anything. And Bitcoin's going to steal a lot of liquidity in October. The Bitcoin dominance is going to go really high over the next little while, in my opinion. So for me, like after I've made some crazy profits, that's when I'm going to diversify out heavy and get into some more speculative stuff that hasn't moved yet that I still think can. But I like to keep things simple. I'm doing ICP right now. ICP automatic rally $9.75. If she just wants to retrace, $44.44. Maximum retracement level $60.74. If she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $300. I don't count any of this. It's possible. Damn it, I just moved that neckline. I have no idea where I had it. It's possible that this could, in La La Land, this could happen, but I go off of what's the most likely. Can you look at Rably? I got you. Should we buy some Bitcoin now at this price and watch it spring in October? My advice is always, 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 even to myself. Dollar cost average, 90% of my portfolio, I have a certain amount that I buy every single week, regardless of price. And when you look at your app store and Coinbase is in the top 10, guess what? It's time to start selling every single week. When Coinbase, right now, Coinbase isn't even in the top 200. It's the number one it's the number one exchange in America. It's not even the top 200. When Coinbase gets back up to the top 10, that's your time to get out of the market. Now, 10% of my portfolio I have on the sideline ready to swing trade. But 90% of what I do is just dollar cost averaging. And then I just pay attention to sentiment. When regular people get excited about crypto, that's when I'm getting out. Real deal. No joke. I swear on everything. This is a true story. All right. So I was at a gas station, Flux Crow, and then some MBL Terra Classic, 36% BC, 30% Flux. Yeah, I think that's pretty solid. All right. This is a true story, y'all. I was at a gas station in 2021. Bitcoin, it had already peaked. It was already past 69,000, but it was still pretty high. I want to say it was like 45, 50,000. I took a lot of profit on Ethereum, but that was just because I was buying more equipment. Okay. So I took a lot of profit, video evidence of the profit. So we must have been right around here, or right around this point. Okay. Like not the top, right? But 50, 53,000, somewhere in there, in the 50,000s. I went into a gas station, and this was the first time that my online life met real life. And I saw, for with my very own eyes, randomly, a Bitcoin ATM. And this is the first time I ever saw one in real life, just randomly. And I was very excited about this. I was outwardly excited because my online life met my real life. And I was like, oh my God, I'm outwardly excited. I'm outwardly expressing my excitement. And people think I'm a crazy person because I'm talking out loud about how excited I am that there's a Bitcoin ATM, right? I saw this in real life. And this guy, and I'm not trying to be funny, but this guy, he didn't speak any English. He was buying a Colt 45 and a Black and Mild. And I'm like, oh my God, it's a Bitcoin ATM. This is awesome, right? And this guy buying a Colt 45 and a Black and Mild, he turns around to me and he says, Bitcoin is finished. Shiba. That's what he said to me. And I was like, oh, the top is in. And so I called my friend and I told him that that happened. And I told him I'm selling everything. And that's what I did. I sold all of my bag right here because of that. That's a true story. But I think that you'll have opportunities like that at the top where regular people are going to get involved. All right, let's look at my man's coin here. Thank you for the subscription. All right. What is the ticker for this? Is it rare? Oh, here we go. Thoughts on Exodus wallet? It is solid. I think Exodus is a solid wallet for sure. No complaints from me. All right, Rarible. Automatic rally, we pretty much already hit it. Probably going to consolidate back to it. $5.40. The next level would be to the 236 at $8.46. If she just wants to retrace, $16.36. Maximum retracement level, $22.60. And if she wants to go parabolic, $109. I'm grateful for mining. If I had to do all over again, I'd probably do liquidity mining, to be honest. But it's cool to have the hardware. All that's cool. I've been mining through this whole bear market. But all right, y'all. We've been on here an hour and a half. I'll be on here probably tomorrow, probably about the same time. I think this is a good time. We get a lively crowd. I don't know anything about the fundamentals on Rarible. I have no thoughts on the coin. Yeah, I love it. I love. I don't know what happened there. Anyways, yeah, I love passive income. That's how I got into it. I'm into dividends, real estate, mining, liquidity mining, all of that, staking. It's all good as long as the outcome is income. That's all that matters to me. legal, moral, ethical. But all right, y'all, that's gonna be it for this time. I'll be on here probably the same time tomorrow. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. Out of here.